Hello, friends. Good afternoon. Today, I can ask to someone, how are you? Because if I will ask, then people laugh on me. So, better instead of asking that question, I should pray to God only that how we will be safe from the situation. I know, I know very well, everybody is panic. Yes, of course, I am also very panic regarding this situation, but there is no option, not at all, no way. The only one way is that we'll have to stay at home and maintain some basic rules of coronavirus. Then only we can save and will help to other people to let them safe. So the situation is very terrible. Yes, of course, we have to adjust as well as we have to go ahead with the situation. Few days back, I attached a video in this regards, this corona virus, some basic tips, basic rules, basic points. I saw, I think 7 8 views are there. People are not interested about this advertisement, about the tips, about the points, blah blah. But guys, friends, yes, situation is very tough. Yes, everywhere is locked down. People are staying at home. I think they are feeling bored. They are boring. I, of course, I understood. I accepted. I am also. While the coronavirus spread is touching a new high every day, a loud and a clear message to stay indoors and maintain some social distance that has been sent, that isn't sent out loud to the world, knowing that there is no vaccine, no other way or a treatment available to cure the virus. So it is time for a single or every individual to act responsibly and or wisely. Though social distancing and isolation is the ideal way to go, but is that really enough to combat the spread? No. We have to obey the rules. We have to follow the niyam kanun, tips, doctors advise, prime ministers advise, police, the department, really salute, hats off to the people. Those have already been given the, dedicatedly they are giving the efforts. Why? Only to save our life. Instead of working 8 to 9 hours, they are working 24 hours in this crucial situation. Why? For them only? For themselves? For their family? No. They are working for our family. How we will be safe? Somebody will ask me, yes, that is their job. Sir, madam, जॉब करना और उसको निभाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. I think they have improved themselves. The word Satya Sai Baba has been declared, has been written on the paper, on the book, some Veda, Upanishad, Gita, Bhagavat, everywhere is written. Service to mankind, a service to God. Manav Sheva, Madhav Sheva. So I think the Department of Police, Department of Doctors, all the nurses, they really proved themselves by using the sentence, by using their dedicated hard work. I think they have proved, and the sentence is already been proved in today's situation. Yes, really I'm feeling sad. In morning I just woke up. Small poet, छोटा गाना, छोटा सा कविता मेरे दिमाग में आया. I thought that I'll have to just express with all these people. I'll have to share with these people. So I finally written this on my paper, and अभी मैं आपको सुनाने जा रहा हूँ. हे कोरोना, प्लीज हमसे दूर चले जाओ ना. हे कोरोना, प्लीज कृपया हमसे दूर चले जाओ ना. हम तो है आम आदमी, हम तो है आम आदमी, करते हैं जीवन के साथ संघर्ष. हम तो है आम आदमी, करते हैं जीवन के साथ संघर्ष. हम हिंदुस्तानियों को किस जुर्म में सजा देते हो? क्या है हमारा दोष? हम भारतीयों के बाजुओं में इतना ही दम है. हम भारतीयों के बाजुओं में इतना ही दम है. तुम क्या, तुम्हारे जैसे 50 आएंगे, उसको भी मार मार के हम भगा देंगे. ये हमारा वादा है. हम है भारतवासी, हम है भारतवासी, वीरता है हमारा सम्मान. अन के साथ जीना जानते हैं और सीना ठोक के बोलते हैं, हम है हिंदुस्तानी, हमारा भारत है महान. जय हिंद, जय भारत. प्लीज मेंटेन social distancing, stay at home. Just I think, or some days later, few days later, we'll have to save from corona. Stay safe, stay well. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.